How to log in Apple Music on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the Apple Music on your device. So let's go and search for Apple Music. So as you can see, I've already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the homepage of Apple Music. Now just wait for a while until it loads. Now first of all, you have to do is agree to its terms and conditions. Then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, all you have to do is just go on to the search option. So you can see the search option over here at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then tap on three lines. Then go to the settings option. So here on the very first option, you can see the sign in option. Tap on that. Then you just have to mention your Apple ID and your password and sign in. Or you can also create an Apple ID if you are new. So you can just mention your Apple ID and password and you'll be able to log into Apple Music on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.